Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions Beats and Beats. Hey, it's Friday and you know what time it is. And if you grew up like I did, you know on Friday, what's it gonna be? Fried fish, and that's what we're having tonight. We're having some fried catfish, a little bit of fried shrimp, guys. Hey, and if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to share the video, guys. I appreciate all that you do. Hey, let's get started with some fried fish. All right, guys, so here we are. As always, I start with my list of ingredients, my supporting cast. Well, really, the star of the show is my catfish. I like to cut my catfish in half. And then I got my shrimp here. Some nice big shrimp too, see them? Then I got my Zatarain seasoning. I love my Zatarans. And then I got a little garlic powder, a little black pepper, and some, of course, my pink Himalayan sea salt, guys. That's all I'm using for this. That's it. So it's real simple. We're going to go ahead and season this stuff up. Hey guys, so to get started with this, it's very simple. Got to get your hands a little dirty. So I got my catfish here. Like I stated earlier, I like to cut my catfish in half. So I got long strips here. I got about 6 or 8 of them here. So basically, I like to put a little bit of pre-seasoning on them before I hit it with my Zatarans. So I'm just going to sprinkle it with a little bit of salt, big Himalayan sea salt. Then we're going to throw a little bit of pepper on them. A little black pepper. And then I'm going to throw a little bit of garlic powder. Not a whole lot, just a little. Then we're just going to basically just move these around a little bit so we can put some more layers of seasoning on it. And it's not a lot, just a little bit to give a little bit of tang. Zatarans does a really good job. A little bit more pink Himalayan sea salt. A little bit more black pepper. And my garlic powder. Simple as that. That's all there is to it. We're just going to mix this around in here real good. Get that seasoned up. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're just going to basically add a couple pieces to the Zataran's mix here. So 1, 2, 3. Simple as that. We're going to close this up. Try to get a little bit of air out of it. We're just going to shake it up, guys. Shake it up. Try to get that coating all over everything. And then we're going to move to the fryer, guys. Simple as that. My Copper Chef Pro setup here, I got about a half a pan of oil, of canola oil is what I'm using. And then the fry attachment for this basket, or for the, and when you buy this big, large Copper Chef Pro pot, this comes with it. So it's a great attachment, guys. Great attachment. Starting to fry up now. Look at them. Look at them. So these will be on for a couple minutes, probably about 5 to 7 minutes. And they'll get nice and golden brown. I'll show you when I'm taking them out and putting it in the next batch. In the meantime, guys, we're going to take a look at how I'm going to batter my shrimp. I'm going to use a little different technique today. I'm going to use tempura batter. So you'll see that here in just a moment. All right, so here we are. First little batch is done. I'm going to take these out and put them on my little draining rack over here. Ooh, they look good. They look good. All right, guys. Like I said, I'm going to make a tempura shrimp batter today. So it basically calls for 1 cup of flour. That's a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Going to use 1 cup of ice cold water and 1 egg. So I've added my cornstarch, added my flour already. Now I'm going to add my egg to it. And I'm going to add my 1 cup of water, ice cold water. Ice cold is the important part. Tempura is a very thin batter, so it's going to be really thin. We're going to mix this up. You can also use club soda. It aerates it really nice. I just like using cold water. Again, it's 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 1 cup of water, ice cold water. Mix it up really good. We're gonna put my shrimp in and fry it after we get done here with the fish. My shrimp is frying up nicely. Ooh, it's time for me to take some out, guys. Doesn't take long for the shrimp to cook, guys. Not at all. Not at all. Take my shrimp out. Beautiful, beautiful shrimp, guys. Let's get it all out there. Friday night fish fry. Don't get no better than that. Got my fish, catfish, my little bit of shrimp, some corn, and a little bit of cut up tomato, guys. Don't get no better than that. Fish fry Fridays. Hey, I got my fish, I got my shrimp, my ears of corn. Hey, there's nothing better than this. I'm not going to talk to you guys any longer. I'm getting ready to eat. So let me know what you guys had on this Friday. Post it down in the comments below. And if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and share the video, guys. I appreciate it. Hey, guys, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.